What is going on, guys? Art here off the Dole Media Group, coming to you live and direct from a Walmart parking lot. I'm shooting this here because today is kind of hectic, and I want to get this information out. What I'm doing is following up on the video on PayPal, how to get money from your a gift card using your PayPal account. For those of you that haven't seen the video, I will link it above so you can check it out. The question that I want to get to today, or that I want to answer or address right now, is how do you withdraw your money once you transfer it from your gift card to your PayPal account? Well, there are three ways that you can do this. The first way, which is the slowest, is to do a bank transfer. Once you establish your PayPal account, you set up a backup funding account for your PayPal account in case, let's say you're making a purchase and you don't have enough funds on your PayPal balance. It will default to whatever bank account that you have set up and withdraw the funds to complete the PayPal purchase. Now, conversely, or alternately, you can also, obviously, you can transfer money or fund your bank account through the PayPal account. So you can do that. That is the slowest method. It takes, I believe, between 3 and 5 days. The second method is the method that I talk about in the video, which is actually using a withdrawal with your PayPal, either business MasterCard or your personal MasterCard. So you will transfer the funds from the gift card to your PayPal account via the invoice that we talk about in the video, and then simply go to an ATM and withdraw the funds. Now, PayPal, I believe they charge $1.50 for ATM withdrawals, in addition to whatever the fee will be for the ATM, the actual ATM. So let's say hypothetically you go to Bank of America, they may charge $1.50. PayPal is going to charge $1.50. So your total withdrawal amount to pull the money off the card would be $3. Now, the third method, which is a little faster, or a lot faster, is the instant transfer. So basically what you do, again, you'll set up an account with your PayPal account. You'll set up a debit card account, I should say. Add your debit card to the account. It's been one of those days, but you add your debit card to your PayPal account. And on your page, there's a button that says instant transfer. So once that's set up, you can click instant transfer and transfer the funds from your PayPal account to your, as they say, quote unquote, eligible debit card. There is a 1% fee to PayPal for that, and I think it will never exceed $10. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. I hope this answers a question for you. If you've had this question, I'm going through the list of questions that I've gotten from that particular video. So hopefully I'll hit that question. If you have another question, a comment, or concern, leave it in the description below. I will get to it. Hope you're having a great day, evening, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. It is 1 degree here before the windshield factor in Chicago. So just enjoying it. So anyway, that's it. Art off the Dome Media. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share. And as always, be safe and enjoy your day. Peace.